Hey there, fellow tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive deep into the world of software development and all things technology. Today, we have an exciting topic to discuss: DevOps. So, if you've ever wondered, what is DevOps? Or, how does it work? You're in the right place. Before we jump right into the nitty-gritty, let's start with the basics. DevOps is a term you might have heard being thrown around a lot in the tech industry. But what does it actually mean? Well, DevOps stands for Development and Operations, and it's a set of practices that brings together the development and operations teams to collaborate and work together seamlessly throughout the software development lifecycle. So you might be wondering, why is DevOps important? The traditional approach to software development involved separate silos for development and operations, often leading to miscommunication, delays, and even more bugs. DevOps aims to bridge that gap by promoting a culture of collaboration, automation, and continuous improvement. Collaboration is one of the key pillars of DevOps. It encourages developers and operations professionals to work together from the very beginning, right from the planning and design phase, all the way to deployment and maintenance. This ensures that everyone is on the same page, making it easier to identify and resolve any issues that may arise throughout the process. Automation is another vital aspect of DevOps. By automating repetitive tasks such as testing, building, and deployment processes, teams can save time, reduce errors, and increase efficiency. Automation allows developers to focus more on coding and innovation, while operations professionals can ensure that the infrastructure and systems are running smoothly. Now, let's talk about continuous improvement. DevOps encourages a mindset of continuous learning and enhancement. By regularly analyzing feedback, monitoring performance, and making iterative changes, teams can deliver better software and services to their users. It's all about embracing feedback loops and constantly finding ways to optimize processes and improve the overall quality of the product. So, now that we have a better understanding of what DevOps is and why it's important, you might be wondering how you can get started or learn more about it. Well, you're in luck. Our channel is dedicated to providing you with valuable content on various aspects of DevOps, software development, and technology trends. If you enjoyed this video and want to stay updated with our latest content, be sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss an upload. We have a lot of exciting videos lined up just for you, covering topics like Docker, Kubernetes, CI/CD pipelines, and so much more. Remember, subscribing to our channel not only helps us grow, but also ensures that you stay ahead in the world of tech by gaining knowledge and staying up to date with the latest trends and practices. So go ahead and click that subscribe button now. That's it for today's video, folks. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.